The major health threats for women. A woman is exposed to a number of health threats through her life. Here are the most major ones. Heart disease. To the surprise of many women, breast cancer is not the number one health risk they face. Heart disease kills more women than all forms of cancer combined. Luckily, there are lots of lifestyle changes you can make to ward off heart disease, such as not smoking, following a heart-smart diet, and being physically active. Breast cancer. Responsible for about 1% of deaths in women worldwide, breast cancer is a serious issue that affects every woman. Recent research shows that while doctors are getting better at treating the disease, incidence rates are on the rise. That's largely due to lifestyle factors. Today, women are getting married later, having children later, and are more overweight, stressed out, and generally more inactive than their mothers were, when breast cancer rates were still quite low. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. Affecting 10% of women of reproductive age, this condition causes small cysts to form on the ovaries during ovulation. These cysts may be nothing more than a nuisance, causing side pains every now and then, or they may become infected and rupture, possibly damaging a woman's uterus and thereby her fertility. Women with PCOS are more prone to weight gain, abnormal periods, acne, and excess hair growth. Osteoporosis. While this disease can affect both men and women, it disproportionately threatens the health of females. Largely preventable, it affects the strength and resiliency of the bones, which can lead to fractures and bone breaks later on in life. Other risk factors include age, having a wiry frame, ethnicity, Caucasian and Asians have the highest risk of developing the disease, eating a diet that's low in calcium or vitamin D, smoking and excessive alcohol use. Depression. This disease affects women about 50% more than men, largely because of hormonal changes, for example, postpartum depression that develops post-pregnancy, or lifestyle factors, feeling disconnected from loved ones, a family history of the disease, or substance abuse. It also can be triggered by a stressful life event, a history of childhood abuse, or neglect. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive degenerative brain disorder, kills more women than men. Although Alzheimer's starts with simple forgetfulness and confusion, it can eventually lead to irreversible mental impairment. If you think you or someone else you know may have Alzheimer's disease, be sure to get a complete medical workup to rule out other causes of dementia. Diabetes. Diabetes is a serious women's health issue, but almost 1/4 of them haven't been yet diagnosed. Women of color are the highest risk for the condition. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of the disease, but the good news is that it is preventable. To reduce your risk, be sure to maintain a healthy lifestyle and a healthy weight, exercise, and have your fasting blood sugar levels checked regularly to allow for early diagnosis. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.